You know, there's lots of talk, lots of times kids ask me, what's a vision quest? Oh, in fact, a good book by Michael Lyons, Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. On sale now at Amazon.com. Click the link after the show. Just keep watching the show. You can buy a book later. Don't tell them that if they want to buy a book. That's all you're about, selling books. My show is not a commercial for your books, all right? I might have to fight him later. Nah, just kidding. Anyway, so a vision, and like a vision quest. A lot of traditional people are going on a vision quest. They're looking for a sign from God. They're looking for some clarity. It might come in the form of a dream. It might come as, like what what normal people would call a hallucination. We call a vision where you actually see something that other people can't see. You might hear something other people can't hear. It might be a tiny little voice in your ear. Or it could be a sign, a bird, that when you see that bird, you know it's not just coincidence. And you don't even need to explain it. It's so obvious that bird came right to you and is flowing, like a hummingbird flying right in your face, looking in your eyes. That's a vision. But a lot of people too, like artists and cartoonists, musicians, and people who want to create, and carpenters, people who want to create stuff, they get a vision. It's like a dream. This is why I'm so preoccupied, why I love Kiss so much. Because they just forever patted themselves on the back and talked about, you got to go for your dreams. Nobody believed in us. But I had a vision. We had a dream to be the band we never saw, or whatever. But everybody who lives a good life, whether they succeed or fail, they say, I was on this path. I had a dream. I had a dream. As Marty Luther King once said, I have a dream. One day, people will be completely preoccupied with their skin color. I have a dream that one day, fat, lazy, entitled, liberal, socialist, unionized government school teachers will indoctrinate the children to hate themselves and to resent others in something called critical race theory. I have a dream that one day, fat, lazy, entitled, uninterested, close-minded, power-hungry, middle school and high school public school teachers will resist good ideas like, we better get some cameras in this classroom so people can see what's going on in here. You can actually be held accountable for saying stuff like, all white people are racist. I have a dream, said Martin Luther King, that one day little boys and girls will divide themselves up by race. And the little white kids will feel like they hate their ancestors and that they're kind of bad and they're inherently racist. And that they live in a world that privileges them based on their skin color. And the little black and brown boys and girls will resent those same kids and say, you know what? You know what my teacher told me? Your ancestors killed my ancestors. Well, guess what? Payback's due. I think that was Martin Luther King's dream, wasn't it? I think it was slightly the exact opposite, but that's hilarious what you just did. Yeah. Are they still teaching Martin Luther King? I bet they're not even teaching Martin Luther King in schools anymore. Because he said, you know, we're a person to be judged by the content of their character. Are they living their dream? Are they following their vision? Are they a good person? The content of their character, not on the color of their skin. You're not going to look at a person and go, you're looking pretty white there. I don't know. I'm thinking you might have some systemic white privilege. You don't even know it, but you probably hate the Indians, you know. I don't think that is what Martin Luther King wanted. Malcolm X once said, the greatest enemy of the, he didn't call them Africans Americans, you know, of the Negro, or whatever he called him, black man. The greatest enemy of the black man is the white liberal. You know,